Is now the right time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? Welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Alibaba. We previously shared a report on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Looking to make smarter trading decisions? Try out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Keep in mind that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 21, 2023, our system has identified Alibaba as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.69. Now, let's dive into the performance of this stock during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 1.29%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.26% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 15.17% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between minus 24.67% and minus 11.75%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected minus 20.36% change over the next 12 months. This implies a potential return ranging between minus 27.65% and 0.473%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $55.89 to $77.61 after 1 year. Our latest update on Alibaba brings exciting news. The stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate after Thursday's trading session. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, the Alibaba stock price experienced a gain of 1.48%, rising from $76.11 to $77.24. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. We're curious to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.05%, reaching a low of $76.98 and a high of $77.79. In the past 10 days, the price has risen on 7 occasions, resulting in an overall increase of 8.09% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased alongside the price, with 4 million more shares being traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately 18 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of $1.39 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price reached $121.30, while the lowest price was $70.09. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 36.32% below its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $44.06. Furthermore, it is trading at a price 75.81% below its all-time high, which was reached on October 27, 2020, at $319.32. Analyst ratings. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley upgraded Alibaba to a buy grade from a hold action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Benchmark upgraded Alibaba to a buy grade from a hold action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Mizuho Securities upgraded Alibaba to a buy grade from a hold action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Morgan Stanley upgraded Alibaba to an overweight grade from a hold action. On Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Benchmark upgraded Alibaba to a buy grade from a hold action. Analysts have overall recommended a buy rating for Alibaba stock. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Alibaba's stock. Overall, the chart shows mostly positive signals. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which is a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal when we consider the relation between these two signals, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. In case of corrections in the stock's value, there is some support from the lines at $75.64 and $76.54. If the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Monday, December 11, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 8.22%. It is expected to rise further until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. This indicates that volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. Today, I want to share some other signals that you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 13 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 1 day ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, we see a buy signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. If we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 32 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. Here's what it reveals. The short moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 78 days ago. When we look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 65 days ago. For more signals and information, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to Alibaba, there's an important factor we need to consider: support. The stock finds support from accumulated volume at $74.67, and this level could potentially present a buying opportunity. Why? Well, when support is tested, it often leads to an upwards reaction, which means the stock could see an increase in value. Another aspect to keep in mind is the trading volume. Alibaba is typically traded at a good volume, which means there's a healthy level of activity. Additionally, the stock experiences minor daily changes, resulting in relatively low risk. Now, let's dive into some numbers. Over the past day, the stock had a price movement of 81 cents, 1.05%, between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, Alibaba has shown a daily average volatility of 1.66%. These numbers provide some insight into the stock's recent performance. Before we dive into discussing potential good trading levels for Alibaba, it's important to briefly cover some fundamental data that will help us understand the company's performance. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings, giving us insights into its valuation. If a company has a relatively low P/E ratio, it could indicate that market expectations for its future growth are low or that the stock is undervalued. This could potentially present a buying opportunity for investors. Moving on to some other important news, the next earnings report for Alibaba's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.86. It's worth keeping a close eye on these numbers, as they have the potential to significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Alibaba stands at $77.60. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Alibaba faces its initial support level at $74.67. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $73.88, which represents a decrease of 4.34%. This particular stock tends to have low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 12 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This indicates that the current level may present a buying opportunity. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. On Friday, December 29th, we expect Alibaba to open up at $0.0967 and start trading at $77.34. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. At StockInvest.us, we provide information to assist you, but we want to emphasize that your investment choices are your own responsibility. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Let's engage in a thoughtful discussion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.